Alright, we are here on the channels doing some dry fly fishing. My buddy Bergie caught a tiny little one earlier. I'm hoping I can trick one too. Well, I just saw a tiny one rise over there. So let's see if I can't get that one to bite. It is a little bit windy today. Nope. I guess not. So I'm guessing Bergie caught one right in there. Oh! Come on. I was not ready for that at all. That's embarrassing, man. That's embarrassing. Just racked up my spool and everything. That's embarrassing. No, bad guess. They are rising though, so that's a good sign. Oh, come on. That wasn't even close. Oof. That's not good. Fixed it. Make a ballsy move and walk forward. Ooh. I had one jump on it right here. Did you see that? And I just totally just speared it up. Yeah, you mind if I going up in there? Could be something. Understood. Nothing, huh? Just that one little blow up was enough to scare him away, I guess. There we go. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Getting demolished by mosquitoes. Oh. Don't tempt me, I may come fish right next to you, which is unethical. Oh. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Wheeze. You think so? Are you trying to cope right now? Are you trying to cope right now? I don't know. That was a big one that just jumped right there. Or not a big one, but it came all the way out of the water. Are you seeing them rise? Oh. Come on. Yeah, I'll be able to see them. I mean, I've had fish swipe at mine, so I don't think it's too big. Currently 8 o'clock, bright as day. This is why we do it, so we can get off work and go fishing. Thought that was a fish. Come on, dude. It might be too big. It might be too big. I'll have to throw something smaller on. Oh, moss fish. Dog, they're rising right in front of mine, man. I may throw on something smaller just for the heck of it. Come on, fish. sunny now. I can put on my sunglasses. And now my shadow's showing, of course. Now I should probably re-rig up and tie something that's more similar to what's flying around. Who would have thought? I think I'm going to do that. Well, this is smaller, so I'm hoping that it'll work. Hope you guys enjoy me taking my deep breaths. I gotta see how it's... Oh, this is so light. Oh, I can barely see it too. Oh dear. Oh man. Oh man. But it looks like it'll catch fish. I guess everything does. Bergie's way down there. He's always on a mission when it comes to fishing, man. He's on a fishing mission. I did not. Man, I tell you what, I cannot see where this thing is at all. Holy. I think that's where, yep, there it is. Man. That was a terrible cast. Oh well. What is going on here? No bears, no moose, good. Oh, I totally cannot tell where that is. Oh, yeah, no long cast today. There's gotta be something in here. So I'm just gonna give it a shot. It's something small. And there goes my lure. My fly, excuse me. I'm not a bass fisherman right now. There we go. Oh! Now at least I know what I'm doing is right. I saw that too. Y'all didn't see that. Y'all don't got polarized glasses. might be getting too close. Come on. I know there's fish in here. I just saw them. All right, let's try this little tiny spot out. Not seeing any fish rise out here the entire time I was walking over, but looked like a decent spot nonetheless. A lot of caddises flying right now. Oh. Over there, one flew. Oh, whoa. Okay, alright, I guess I got one. Okay, I had one. Okay, how about that? There we go. Hello, Mr. Brown Trout. Hang on. Come on. Slimy. Or no, this is a rainbow. Stop that. Look at you. Look at you. So pretty. This is how I do it. This is why I do it, everybody. That was beautiful. And I didn't even see it happen. I was too busy looking over yonder. Well. Whoa! Look at that. What did she guess? Come here. Nice rainbow. Well, I missed the hook set on it. On camera at least. Come on. There we go. Oh, I hope you guys saw it. Nice. All right, let me check on old fly. I kind of wrangled him up trying to get that hook out of there. He's still good. He's still fine. Perfect. All right, well, this is running out of battery. So I'm just gonna keep on filming. And whatever gets in, gets in. What a pretty fish, man. What a pretty fish. Oh, I need more gink. All right. Well, we got a bigger one. I mean, it's still small, but it's a bigger one. Come here. Yeah, it's a brown. It's a decent one. And relatively of what we've caught, it's very small. But in relatively what I've caught today, it's the biggest one. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out, homie. I need some like hook getters. I'll consider this fish the bonus fish of the day. And I'm gonna end it on this homie right here. Look at that beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh man, yeah, he's pretty. Majestic creatures, man. Love me some trout. Well, this is truly good night now. Look at that. Say hi, Bergie.
Life sucks, bro. Don't come.
Oh man, this is what I do.